Why would I want to use a drone for photo or video? A modern drone and skilled operator can bring a new dimension to your venue, product or service by providing a unique perspective. The aircraft is small and manoeuvrable, enabling it to shoot either film or still images from previously inaccessible locations. They do have limitations, mainly due to weather, such as wind and rain, proximity to complicated pipework or electromagnetic interference in enclosed spaces, but they still have a whole host of benefits. They can even be programmed to fly a predetermined set of coordinates, enabling repeat flight paths during ongoing projects.